Welcome once again. Let's talk about Terra Classic LUNC. Now, you remember that the crypto industry from the beginning of the year has been struggling even since last year, especially Bitcoin that is controlling every other crypto coins. Now, Terra Classic, there's a possibility of this coin deleting 1-0. Okay, you know what it means is Terra Classic right now is trading with 4 zeros. That means Luna might be trading with about 3 zeros in a very short period of time. That means if Bitcoin and of course every other crypto coins, especially the top 10 coins, keep rising the way they recently started pumping. Okay, now I also believe that yes, there's a possibility for Terra Classic LUNC to really pump in price because Luna have really dropped in terms of market cap, in terms of trading volume. Of course, added so much zeros, but people can still make profit from Terra Classic, even though right now a lot of investors have actually pulled out of Terra Classic in the past few months. But you can see that recently some people started coming back, some people started investing on Terra Classic. Of course, we also know that Terra Classic survival depends on Bitcoin, but right now BTC is doing well. So I believe that yes, if Bitcoin crosses $50,000 price, there's a possibility for Terra Classic LUNC to delete at least 1-0. Okay, now deleting 1-0 is going to boost Terra Classic confidence, is going to boost Terra Classic because so many people want to invest on Terra Classic. Remember, imagine investing $100 right now on Terra Classic and this coin deletes 2 zeros, to be making thousands of dollars already. So that is a goal. Okay, investing on coins that one can invest and have huge coins, of course, and when you convert this coin, when this coin started deleting zeros, one will make a lot of profit. So one thing I also want Terra Classic to focus on is the burning of Terra Classic. If the Terra Classic developers can focus on burning more coins, I believe it will help Terra Classic to really pump more in price. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.